Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an academic recommendation letter. What is an academic recommendation letter? An academic recommendation letter is a formal document written by a teacher, professor, or academic advisor, endorsing a student's academic performance, character, and potential for success in further education or specific academic programs. This letter highlights the student's intellectual abilities, achievements, work ethic, and contributions to the academic community, aiming to support their applications for scholarships, college admissions, graduate studies, or other academic opportunities. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an academic recommendation letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your full name. And then, write your occupation in the university. Write also the name of the university or educational institution. Under it, write the address of the university. You need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. For the next, you can write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the information about the recipient. Yes, write their full name. Under it, write their occupation in the university or school or educational institution. In this case as admissions committee chair. And don't forget to write the name of the school or university or educational institution. After that, write also the address of the school or university or educational institution. Yes, it is a must that you include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After completing this information, you will need to write the subject of the letter. This is not a must, but highly recommended for formal letters. You may simply write, academic recommendation for, followed by the name of the student. In this case is Rachel Taylor. And now, you may open the letter with a salutation. Simply write, Dear, followed by the full name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, this is an introduction part. You can tell the recipient the reason why you writing this letter. In this example, Professor Anderson states his intention to recommend Rachel Taylor. And he immediately establishes the letter's purpose. Not only that, he also mentions his role at Stanford University, giving context to his relationship with Rachel. And here is how you write it. I am writing to enthusiastically recommend Rachel Taylor for any academic pursuits or opportunities that may arise. I have had the privilege of serving as professor of psychology at Stanford University during her time of study. In the second paragraph, you can start to talk about academic performance and work ethic of the student you recommend. Of course, you need to highlight the student's academic performance and work ethic as exemplary. Here is the example how you write it. Rachel has consistently demonstrated outstanding academic performance, a strong work ethic, and a genuine passion for psychology. And then, describes the student as engaged, dedicated, and intellectually curious, providing a comprehensive view of her, or him, as a student. If you have no idea what to write, you may simply copy this. She is an engaged and dedicated student, who actively participates in class discussions, showcases intellectual curiosity, and consistently produces high-quality work. In the third paragraph, now you need to elaborate the research skills of the student. In this case, you need to focus on the student's research capabilities. It is highly recommended that you provide with a specific example, showcasing the student's competence and initiative. And here is the perfect example of it. One of her notable strengths is her exceptional research skills. And mention the example project. It should be detailed, illustrating the student's understanding, analytical skills, and methodological proficiency. Here is how you write it. For example, Rachel led a research project on the effects of cognitive therapy on anxiety levels, demonstrating not only a deep understanding of the subject matter, but also strong analytical and methodological skills. In the fourth paragraph, this is where you talk about personal qualities of the student. In this example, the writer affirms Rachel's integrity, character, and collaborative spirit. Sure, you can do the same. And here is the example. In addition to her academic achievements, Rachel Taylor is a person of integrity and character. After that, you can emphasize the student's communication skills and leadership, indicating their well-roundedness. For example she collaborates well with peers, demonstrates excellent communication skills, and exhibits leadership qualities, both inside and outside the classroom. In the 5th paragraph, this is where you write your endorsement of potential of the student. Sure, you need to express your confidence in your student's future success in academic settings. And here you can write something like, I am confident that Rachel Taylor will excel in any academic environment, and contribute positively to any academic community. After that, you need to also assert their standout qualities as an exceptional student, reinforcing the strength of the recommendation. If you have no idea what to write, sure, you may copy this. She possesses the qualities that make her stand out as an exceptional student. In the 6th paragraph, now you can offer further assistance. Provide an invitation for further inquiries, underlining your support. Here is how you write it. If you have any further questions or require additional information, please feel free to contact me at 555-789-4567 or michael.anderson@email.com. Yes, you must give your contact information, like phone number and email address. And encourage direct communication for more details. You may write something like, I am more than willing to discuss Rachel Taylor's academic achievements, and provide any further insight into her character and abilities. And the last paragraph, write a polite thank you to the recipient acknowledges their consideration of the recommendation. And you can give your closing statement about the student. In this letter, the writer concludes with a reiteration of the recommendation, emphasizing Rachel's potential value to Harvard Graduate School of Psychology. And here is how you write it. Thank you for considering my recommendation. I believe Rachel Taylor would be a valuable addition to Harvard Graduate School of Psychology. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature. Write your title and your full name. And under it, write your department in the university, as well as the name of the university or educational institution. So, that's how you write an academic recommendation letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.